Saturday.
I wanna make a Krampus for Christmas. Only a creepy Krampus will do. Don't want no maids of milking.
Hey, what the f***? It's a French hen.
I wanna make a Krampus scare the crap out of children. I wanna make a Krampus for Christmas. I don't think that my wife will mind the use. We won't have carolers hanging on our lawn. At Amazon will think that we are all Satan's spawn. I can see me now on Christmas morning, creeping down the stairs. A feeling of joy overcame myself, 'cause my homeboy Krampus f***ed up that stupid elf. I wanna make a Krampus for Christmas. Only a creepy Krampus will do.
Look here, I don't like turtle doves or silly susses. I only like creepy Krampus susses.
And creepy Krampus is like me too. My neighbors wanna know,
Hey, what the hell is that?
and I say,
Okay, just Google it. It's a half goat, half demon monster that punishes naughty, misbehaving children at Christmas time. You idiot.
there's lots of room for him underneath your bed. So wipe the smirk off your face or you'll end up dead. I can see me now on Christmas morning, creeping down the stairs. A feeling of joy overcame myself, 'cause my homeboy Krampus f***ed up that stupid elf. I wanna make a Krampus for Christmas. Only a creepy Krampus will do.
What did I tell you? I don't like turtle doves
Oh!
or silly sausages.
Oh!
I only like creepy Krampus sausages.
And creepy Krampus is like me too.
Idiot.
Saturday.